everybody. My name is Kristen Manners, and this is another episode of Cannabis Cooking with Kriseyd. And I'm here with my producer, V. Hello, V. How are you today?
Hello. Doing good.
Well, that's good.
Let's see what you got cooked.
Well, first of all, I want to thank everybody for the continued support of Cannabis Cooking with Kriseyd. Thank you so much for all the support you've been giving us. And I want to always thank our sponsors, CannaTalk. They have been wonderful about supporting us. And please visit their website. All of the information is always at the front of every episode. And thank you so much, CannaTalk, for all that you have done for us. I get to show you how to make the most wonderful things with CBD and THC oil. And we all remember when we got to go to the movie theater when they actually used real butter for popcorn. And that's the great thing about using CBD oil and THC is you can pretty much make anything and everything you want with CBD oil. And I'm going to show you how to make old-fashioned popcorn the way they used to make it and the way it used to taste at the movie theater with CBD oil. And yes, you can incorporate CBD oil with old-fashioned popcorn using real butter and have it taste the way it used to taste. I'm sure you guys remember going to the movie theaters and to the drive-in theaters. I used to go to them all the time. So that's what I'm going to do today. And the way that I incorporate my CBD into the popcorn is in the butter at the very end. And I've got my butter over here, and the way that you can determine this is if you use a dropper full of CBD oil or a couple dropperfuls of CBD oil, that is how you incorporate it in your butter. And you can put it right on top of your popcorn at the very end. So what I do is I start with my big pan here, and you can see the pan that I use. It's just like a stock pot pan. So I start with that pan there, and I just put my oil bottom of the pan. Just coat the bottom of the pan with your oil so that you can't see the bottom any longer. Then I put my popcorn in the bottom, and it's about a quarter cup of popcorn in the bottom of the pan. And you keep it on high while the popcorn is getting hot. And then you just put a lid right on the top of the popcorn. And then I grab a towel and I just wrap my towel up around here, and you keep it on high just until you start to hear the popcorn kernels pop. I don't use a popcorn popper at all. I just use my regular pan here. As soon as you start to hear the popcorn kernels pop, you just start shaking the pan onto the burner and turn it down to around medium high. Okay, now my popcorn has started to pop, so I turn the burner down to medium high, and as you can see, the popcorn is popping, and I just keep my pan at a steady flow and keep on letting it pop until you cannot hear any more of the popcorn kernels pop any longer. And as soon as I can't hear that any longer, I'm going to slide the popcorn off of the burner so that the popcorn on the bottom doesn't burn, and that's how you keep it from burning. So I'm going to slide that off of here. So I just take about half of the kernels and I put them in the bowl. And I take my real butter, my CBD oil, and cover the popcorn with it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt to the popcorn. You don't have to add this if you don't want to. And then just shake this popcorn up a little bit. And then I add the rest of my popcorn kernels. And as you can see, there's no kernels on the bottom of the pan whatsoever, and this is great. And then finish off the popcorn with your CBD oil, and then finish this off with some salt. Anything that you want to make with CBD using CBD and THC, you can, incorporating it in your butter or your saute pan or anything else like I have on the other episodes. And it tastes just like it used to taste when you used to go to the theaters. So you cannot tell the difference. It is the best popcorn you'll ever have. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste because that's the best part. That, by far, is the best popcorn you are ever gonna get. Better than microwave popcorn and better than the theater popcorn. I want to thank everybody again for joining us for another episode of Cannabis Cooking with Kriseyd. Thank you very much.